Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video I wanted to do kind of a bike video to show the viewers what things I use to enjoy bike rides, like maintenance sort of things and things I use to give an easier bike life when outside riding. Okay then, so I'm going to show you now some of the things I've got, and here we go. We've got your normal trouser tie, goes on your ankle to stop your trousers getting chain and getting oily and also getting trapped in the chain. Very good and very cheap from China, about £2 I think, on amazon.co.uk. I use this all the time and it's been pretty good. And the next thing we have is spoke tighteners. Very cheap again from China, to tighten up your spokes on your bike if they're loose or something like that. Very good. And here we have another version of it, also from China. Different size fittings here for different size spokes. And then we come to my shock pump from Between. It's been a very good pump, this has, very good pump. That's it. And then we have my 6-in-1 bike tool. Which is good about these is that it's interchangeable. You just pull out one of the tools on it and then change it over, which I'll show you now. So there we have it then. All the tools are out of it, and that's what connects. Different sizes depending on what you need for your bike, either tighten up the handlebars or pedals and stuff like that, or even the stem. Many different uses of it. It's been a very good tool as well to have. Very good tool. And then we have the muc-off products, which I've always used and I've enjoyed, and always a nice smell. And we have the dry lube for dry days out on the trail or wherever you want to ride. Very good smell, very good product, very long lasting as well. That's muc-off. That's a dry lube one. And then we have the wet lube one as well. Still just as good, nice smell always with muc-off, and always a good product. And then we have the muc-off Moto 94, which lubricates and penetrates and is good for your chain and stuff like that, and your gearing and stuff like that. I've never had a problem with this at all. Always smells nice. Very good. You only need a small amount, and the small amount will go a long way. And then we have the silicone shine, which smells a bit like cherry, and that's for a frame which has like a shiny finish. Do not put this on a matte frame because you'll leave streaks and it takes ages to get off. So this is not for a shiny frame. No, sorry, it is for a shiny frame, not a matte frame. And then we have something which I bought recently for my Rockrider AM100S, and that is the matte finish detailer. Absolutely brilliant. Spray it on, leave it for a couple of minutes, wipe it off, no streaks at all, and it's fantastic and keeps away the dirt. It's been really, really good, really good. And also, if you have problems with you're in the tube bursting, stuff like that, don't want to get your hands trapped or anything in your wheel and cause that pain in your fingers, I got this and this is absolutely brilliant. What it does is you pinch your tyre and the frame on the rim and pull the tyre off like a pair of tongs, like that. And that's fantastic, that is. And then you have the normal chain wear, check for chain stretch, and that was cheap, very cheap from Amazon. And then that's it. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. I really enjoy making these videos for you viewers. It helps you out and helps me out as well by making them. I have a lot of fun doing them. So thank you for spending the time to watch this video with me, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.